Hi everyone, this is Suzanne in Texas, and I want to show you how we cook corn on the cob and come out in the microwave and come out with beautiful ears of corn. You'll need an ear of corn in the shuck, a sharp knife, something to handle it with because it's hot when it comes out of the microwave. I use a cutting board. This is a bamboo one from Norwex. You'll take your ear of corn just like this and place it in your microwave. And I have I use a couple of sheets of paper towel to help absorb some of the moisture. And you're gonna cook it for 4.5 minutes. Now sometimes I only cook them for 4 minutes, but because they're so small. This particular one was really small. I just took it out and it's fully done. I cut from about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch from like the butt of the ear corn, and you cut all the way through. You're going to discard that, and this you're going to shake, shake, shake. Grab the end and shake, shake, shake. And out pops a beautiful ear of corn, ready to eat. That's it. Enjoy. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.